The toothpick is clean. It's time to come out. Okay. Go ahead and get this other one. All right. I'm going to go ahead and add in my cocoa. My heavy cream. And my vanilla. Let that mix slow. Have that mixed. I'm going to scrape my sides down, and I'm going to go ahead and start adding in my powdered sugar. A little at a time. Start it off on low so you won't get powdered sugar everywhere. This is how I fill my piping bag. I use a cup. And voila. There it is. Okay. So you could just take a piping tip and you can put the tip down in the bag and just cut the tip. And I'm using these kitchen scissors, and they're not the sharpest. And you can just take the tip and put it in the bag. And then I'm gonna fill it with icing. So that way I don't have to put a coupling on it. You just take the tip and put it down in your piping bag. What I mean by serrated, it looks like that. Okay. Let's get some more icing. So we got one more layer going on the top. Actually, this is going to be the crumb coat, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and then I'll put the last coat on it. Like I said, this is the crumb coat. So let's get this in the refrigerator. And I'm going to refrigerate it for Probably about 2 hours. Get it good and cold. Getting it ready for the refrigerator. And I'll let it stay in the refrigerator about 2 hours. And then put on the final coat and decorate it. Back into the refrigerator and just let it chill for another 30 minutes before I get ready to decorate it. That's why I got the pan here. Probably have to put them in my hand. Yeah, that works better. Put them in my hand. They don't look too bad. Let's go round and round. Round and round. Just had to get started. That should be enough. Put a little bit more here. All right. Make some circles. And this is a chocolate lover's cake. If you like chocolate, you'll love this cake. If you're diabetic, it's not the cake for you. We're gonna take some cookies. We're gonna do a cookie. And I also have candy bars. Cookie in the middle. Candy bar. Candy bar. And I think that's enough chocolate. Hey, PattyKakes here. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Set it to all so you'll never miss a PattyKakes recipe. Thank you for supporting our kitchen.